Welcome back to Investies. Today we're discussing XRP and its future price. XRP is a digital currency created by Ripple Labs for cross-border payments. Its price has seen many ups and downs, influenced by news and market sentiment. Factors like the SEC lawsuit and bank adoption impact its price. Looking ahead, positive resolution of Ripple's case could push XRP to $1.50 to $2 in the short term, and $5 to $10 by 2025. Remember, cryptocurrency is volatile, so do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Hit like and subscribe for more crypto insights, and let us know your thoughts on XRP's future in the comments.